In Kubernetes, port and target port are crucial settings within a service that control how network traffic is routed to the ports. Port refers to the port number on the service itself. It's the point of contact for other services or external users when they want to communicate with the ports managed by this service. Imagine this is a number on an internal phone system in an apartment building. When you want to contact someone in the building, you dial this number. Similarly, when someone wants to access a service in Kubernetes, they use this port number. Target port is a specific port on the port to which the service forwards the incoming traffic. It's where the application inside the port is actually listening for a request. Think of a target port as the actual apartment number in the building. When you dial a number on the internal phone system, you are connected to a specific apartment where the person you want to speak to lives. Together, port and target port ensure that the external or internal requests reach the correct destination inside the cluster, much like how well organized internal phone system ensures you connect with the right apartment in a large building.